So we're gonna get a couple cocktails going here for the Table and Vine happy hour. This is really cool because we're going to use an iconic bourbon from Kentucky called Maker's Mark. Most people are probably familiar with at least the bottle shape, and it's got that really cool wax seal. But we can take one bottle of bourbon and maybe 5 or 6 other simple ingredients that you can find at your local Big Y or Table and Vine, and you can mix up 5, maybe 6 cocktails. We might try and sneak another one in here. So up first, we're going to start with a real basic whiskey sour. We're going to start with 2 parts of Maker's Mark bourbon, and we're going to free pour today because measuring is for amateurs. So we're going to take 2 parts of bourbon, 1 part simple syrup, which is really basically just water and sugar, and we're going to do 1 part there. We're going to throw in a wedge of lemon. We're going to use a little bit of lemon juice because you can't make a whiskey sour without some sour. That's a good burst. And we're going to garnish it with some maraschino cherries. Just drop those guys in there. Just give it a quick little swirl, and you're off to your first drink of the day. Cheers.